it's Hannah, and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. If you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. In today's video, I'm really excited because I'm going to be doing another unboxing of the AIA Beauty Bundle box. So, I did an unboxing of this box last month, and that was their June and July box. And this month, I have their August and September box that they very kindly sent me in PR. Now, this is a $36 subscription box, and you can sign up for the box down below in the description box. I'll have a code for y'all to use and everything like that, so you'll get a percentage off. But basically, this month box is a skincare box, and it all is themed with watermelon since August 2nd was National Watermelon Day. And what is really cool about this subscription box is that this is a bi-monthly subscription box. So for 2 months, they are going to have this box right here. So this box is available for the month of August and then for the month of September. And then when October rolls around, they will have a new box for October during the month of November. And then when December rolls around, we'll have a new month or a new box for the month of December through January and so forth. So this is a bi-monthly box. This is not a box that you'll get every month. This is a box that you will receive every other month. Each box is about $36, like I mentioned earlier, and you get over $100 worth of beauty products in each box. So for $36, that is definitely not bad. Every product in these boxes as well are all full-size products. They are not sample sizes. They also reach out and they work with companies who are independent brand owners. So these are companies and brands that you will not be able to find at Ulta or Sephora or even Walmart or Target. This is all exclusively stuff that people manufacture themselves, which I think is awesome. So let's go ahead and get into this box. So this box is from a brand called verydice, and this just is the card. It has the info on the back of everything that you'll receive, and y'all are getting to see all the stuff before I get to see it. And right here, it just has info about the brand owner. So the person that made verydice says, "I created verydice to show the beauty and spirit of my heritage. As a former Power Rangers villainess," she was in Power Rangers? Okay. "I spent hours under bright lights and heavy makeup, which took a major toll on my complexion and confidence. In my journey to restore my skin, I rediscovered my grandmother's Asian beauty secrets, which transformed my complexion, and now yours too. I'm so excited for you to experience the verydice way." And this is just Jennifer Yen, creator and CEO of verydice. And oh my goodness, it is raining outside. I'm really sorry if you can hear that. It is like raining cats and dogs out there. But anyway, let's go ahead and get right on into the subscription box. The first product that I pull out is the Pink Charcoal Watermelon Purifying Cleansing Milk with green tea. This says gently cleanses skin, soap, and sulfate free. Ooh, okay. So let's read up on this guy right here. This is the Pink Charcoal Watermelon Purifying Cleansing Milk. This sulfate-free pink charcoal and watermelon-infused cleansing milk gently cleanses the skin of impurities, removes makeup, tones, and soothes skin. And this retails for $9.99. So I will have a little demo of me using and testing out this product right here, and I will give y'all my thoughts. So let's go ahead and get into that little demo right now. So I'm really sorry that the angles are very, very different, but right now we are going to be testing out the Pink Charcoal Watermelon Purifying Cleansing Milk. So I already wiped off my face with just a makeup remover wipe, and I always double cleanse. So this is going to be my first cleanser that I'm using tonight because it says that this helps get makeup off. So that is always what I do whenever I double cleanse. So I'm just going to be wetting a washcloth, and I have my little bowl right here with water, and we are currently in my kitchen. So let's go ahead and get into trying out this cleanser. Okay, so the face wash felt really nice on my face. My face feels really clean as well. It is a nice consistency. It is a very, very liquidy consistency, but I actually really like that. And it actually did a really good job at getting off that extra layer of makeup that I had on my skin, and those makeup wipes just cannot get off. So I give this an A+. I actually really like it. It felt really good on the skin. It didn't feel super heavy, and it didn't feel super drying either. It felt very moisturizing, which I actually really liked. So let's go ahead and get into the other parts of the skincare box. The next product that I pulled out of the box is the Pink Charcoal and Watermelon Antioxidant Face Mist, and this also has green tea with it as well. This is refreshing, soothing, and hydrating. So this Pink Charcoal and Watermelon Antioxidant Face Mist. The Pink Charcoal Watermelon Antioxidant Face Mist is a refreshing, hydrating, and soothing face mist packed with antioxidants. And this also retails for $9.99. So basically, this can be a facial mist that you use before your makeup. This can be a facial mist that you use throughout the day just to kind of refresh and just kind of touch up and rehydrate your skin. Or you can use this as a facial toner. So I will be using this as a facial toner because that's how I like to use these type of products. So again, just like with the cleanser, we're going to go ahead and get into that demo right now. Okay, so I'm going to now be toning my face with the Pink Charcoal Watermelon Extract Face Mist. And this is just supposed to have a lot of hydrating, soothing, and refreshing benefits to the skin. So I'm going to shake it before I spray it on my cotton pad. I have a really hard time spraying products like this directly onto my face. So what I'm just going to do is just spritz a little bit of it onto a cotton pad, and then I'm going to be dotting it all over my face. Alright, this smells exactly like watermelon as well. It smells so good. This facial mist felt so good and just really refreshing on the skin. I really like the way that it feels. It feels very nice and very hydrating. Next up, we have a face mask. This is just their Watermelon Energizing Marshmallow Peel Off Mask. This purifies pores, brightens skin, and visibly firms and tightens. And this is for all skin types. And the back here, it just says the benefits are watermelon loaded with vitamins A, B, and C. Moisturize the skin. Blackberry helps refine pores. Cranberry fights free radicals, and elderberry brightens and detoxes skin. That's actually true about elderberry. Elderberry has a lot of really, really good benefits for both your skin and your health. It's also really good to kind of like boost your immune system. With everything that's going on, I've been really into just doing different things to kind of help with everything. So this antioxidant packed peel off mask with a marshmallow texture that works to energize, brighten, and tighten the appearance of skin. It retails for $24. So that is just this right here. Let's take this out of the box. The box is really cute, I have to say. It's got little marshmallows all over it and watermelon. You definitely can tell that that is the theme. And oh my goodness, the packaging is so cute. Okay, so that is what it looks like. I'm really excited. I don't know if I'll have time to use this tonight or not. Because I have a very busy, hectic day tomorrow morning, and I am going to be going to bed pretty early tonight, so I don't know if I'll have time to try it tonight. But either way, you'll get a clip of me trying it. But if I'm in a different outfit, that is why I had to try it at a different time. But either way, I'm still going to do a demo on it. So let's go ahead and get into the demo for that. And I want to do the face mask. So we're going to do the Watermelon Energizing Marshmallow Peel Off Mask. This purifies pores, brightens skin, visibly firms, and tightens. It is for all skin types. So let's go ahead and get into this. It says leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. I'll probably leave this on for about 10 minutes. I have my little silicone brush right here that I always use to apply these kind of masks. And this also says that you don't have to rinse it off. You just peel it off. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to test this out. I didn't break the seal off of this. This is always so fun to me, like peeling off little seals on products. I don't know why, but it's like my favorite thing to do whenever I get a new skincare product is to peel off that little thing. Alright, so let's get to this onto my face. I hope it's pink. It is pink. Oh, it's pink. Look, it's pink. Oh my God. have applied the mask. This smells like watermelon candy. Like, you know those little watermelon flavored Jolly Ranchers? This smells exactly like that. That actually makes me want a watermelon Jolly Rancher right now. But what we're going to do instead is we are going to sit here, or I'm going to sit here. I'm going to wait out the 10 minutes. I'm going to let this dry, and I'll peel it off. And I'll come back and I'll talk some more about the mask. But so far, I'm actually really, really liking it. Alrighty, so I pulled off that mask, and honestly, my face feels really good and really, really smooth. And I have noticed that my skin does look a little bit brightener and just a little bit more energized now that I have did that mask. I still have little parts of it on my face that like I'm slowly like having to pick off, but other than that though, I really liked it, so I definitely will keep on using it. Now we have this little guy right here. This is the Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. Lightweight, oil-free. This is just a moisturizer, and this is for oily and combination skin. So let's read up about this little guy right here. A lightweight, oil-free gel cream that intensely energizes, refreshes, soothes skin while providing hydration. And this retails for $24. Wow, $24 for this little tube? Okay. Well, I'm not downplaying it. I don't know if I would pay $24 for this. But, you know what? It's probably a really good moisturizer. It's just the size that really rubs me the wrong way. We're going to get into the demo, but I really quickly just want to smell it. So let's kind of, oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. It smells exactly like fresh watermelon. So just like we did with the facial spray, the face wash, all that jazz, we're going to go ahead and get into the demo of me using this moisturizer. And I'm really excited about this because the moisturizer that I'm currently using is the Neutrogena the water gel moisturizer, so I'm really excited to use this. So let's go ahead and get into it. But now we're going to move on to the Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm, and this is just a facial moisturizer, and I'm just going to be applying this to my face. Alright, so I really liked that skin moisturizer, the face moisturizer. It felt really good. It absorbed into my skin like that the minute that I put it on. It is a very, very jelly, watery like consistency. When you smooth it out over the skin, you can kind of feel it transform into like a watered consistency, which is really cool. And you can kind of feel it kind of soaking into your skin. So I'm really excited to see in the morning how my skin looks after I use this. So you can use it morning and night. I probably will be using this during the daytime. I'm actually probably going to put this around my vanity to be my daytime moisturizer before I do my makeup because I don't really like the First Aid Beauty one that I'm using currently to use under my makeup. I just feel like it's a little bit too thick, and this is a little bit more thinner, and especially sometimes when I do go out, which is very, very rare, but on days that I do go out somewhere and I'm having to wear a face mask, I try to use a very, very thin moisturizer, so I definitely will be using this one for that purpose because like I said, I've been using the First Aid Beauty one under my foundation and everything, and sometimes their moisturizers, primers, etc., they just don't mix well, so I feel like this will mesh really well with the primer that I'm currently using. So out of the products that I've tried for the face, I really like the face mask. I love a good face mask. You can't go wrong with me and a good face mask. So this is definitely the moisturizer. And then I also really like the cleanser. But my absolute favorite thing is this facial mist because it smells like watermelon. All this smells like watermelon. And the smell of this also smells very reminiscent of this, the face mask. It smells just like Jolly Rancher watermelons. And it makes me want a watermelon Jolly Rancher. But anyway, these three products right here are my absolute favorites. So, we'll go into later on, and we'll try the body moisturizer and the exfoliator here in a bit. Alright, and my next two are products right here. These kind of go together. So this is the coconut and coffee body scrub. This smooths, exfoliates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes skin. And this is for all skin types. I'm really excited about this. I have been in desperate need of a new body exfoliator. So this body exfoliator, it awakens skin with the coffee body scrub that exfoliates, polishes, and hydrates to leave skin feeling youthful, smooth, and luxurious. And this retails for $24. So, like I said, I've been in desperate need of a new body scrub on my elbows and my knees and like my feet. Just different parts of my body really needs to be exfoliated. So I'm really excited to have this and give this a try tonight in the shower. I will keep y'all updated about whether or not that worked out for me. And then I also have the body lotion. This is just the coconut oil and coffee silky body butter. This smooths, hydrates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes the skin. Again, this is for all skin types. This retails for $24. This body butter smooths, hydrates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes while the coffee regenerates and awakens the skin. So again, really excited about this. I have a body lotion that I am absolutely in love with at the moment. It is from Gold Blonde, and it comes in like this really big tub. I actually got to try it out with Influencer, and I used up the whole tub, so I ended up repurchasing it, and oh my goodness, that is literally the best body butter ever. I love it. So let's go ahead and get into the clips of me talking a little bit more in depth about these products after I had used them. Okay, so I just showered and I used this coffee and coconut oil coffee body scrub. I actually really like this exfoliator. It got all the dead skin off of my elbows and my knee area, which is what I have been struggling with. And then this body lotion, I actually really like this. It is very moisturizing, especially for your hands, because I've been washing my hands a lot. And so this was very moisturizing on my hands, so I really like the body scrub and the matching lotion as well. Last but certainly not least, you get this little pouch. So this watermelon canvas cosmetic bag. Pack up your makeup essentials and are gorgeous and perfect for summer. Watermelon canvas cosmetic bag, and this retails for $10. So let's open this up. This is absolutely adorable. I love this. It is so cute. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to be able to travel again and pack my makeup in this. This is so cute. I like how it has the brand name and it has a watermelon. And then on the back of it, it just says, give your skin a burst of energy, which I think is really cute. Okay. I accidentally deleted the clips last night of me ending off the video, so this is going to be me doing it right here. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it. If you would like to subscribe to the AIA subscription box, you can do so in the description box below. I'll have a discount code down there for you as well as there'll be a pinned comment. I do not make any type of money or anything like that if you use my discount code. This is just a code that they gave my subscribers, so that way y'all can use it if you want to. I would also really appreciate it if you would give this video a big thumbs up down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're down there as well, because I post and upload new videos every Thursdays, Saturdays, and Mondays at 6 or 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. And you can also give me a follow over on social media as well. So thank y'all so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in Monday's video. Bye, my little unicorns.